Hi there.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Hey there. Welcome to AD SEO Agency. I'm Lucy, SEO strategist here at AD SEO Agency. With over a decade of experience, we've done SEO for more than 20,000 different companies, including some of the world's most visible brands like HP, Amazon, and Healthline.
We understand the precise SEO tactics that make these global brands successful.
We're a team of seasoned SEO experts dedicated to bring you tangible results.
Here at AD SEO Agency, we identify the exact strategies that your competitors use to dominate Google.
We then craft a unique strategy, tailoring a plan to fill the gaps, ensuring Google prioritizes your website.
Our team closely monitors your website and implements the unique SEO strategies, aligning with the proven tactics we use with major brands.
Our approach ensures that your SEO is customized to your industry, because SEO is not a one-size-fits-all solution.
We look forward to working with you.